Hello, how are you doing? It's Naya here. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be talking about something really important to me. Most people know me as the founder of Solani Beauty, which is my beauty line. I love our products. You know, they're made for women that look like me. And I put so much love, energy, and heart into that. That brand is named after my daughter, and it's all about brown girl beauty and just, us being at peace with who we are. Today I'm going to be talking about something a little different, and it's an opportunity that I have came across as, growing in as an investor. Okay. So I would say when the pandemic happened and I transitioned from working full time at the University of Washington to my business, and then COVID happened, I went into a space where I was looking for more sources of income. As you know, my beauty business is a very young business, still growing and still making amazing product. But to support my family and the things that I'm doing, I was looking for other sources of income. So I became a student of iMastery Academy, which was recommended to me by a dear mentor and friend of mine. And I have not looked back since I became a student of iMastery Academy. I have learned how to build a digital currency portfolio, which I'm really, really excited about. It's all about, new ways of building wealth, right? A lot of this information was not available to us, right? The only thing I knew when I was up and coming was that, go to school, get a good job, and build your life and save. But how do we multiply our income? How are we able to do the things that we're passionate about? Like I am passionate about building community and educating our children in ways that are different from the way I was educated, and lessons that I didn't learn when I was growing up. So I found iMastery Academy and the community with iMastery Academy to be absolutely phenomenal. So today I'm going to be sharing a little bit about foreign exchange trading, but I'm going to be more specifically sharing high frequency trading. Okay. I love this style of trading because it is quick. If you are super busy, you have a lot of things going on, you can make a schedule and dedicate a certain amount of time every day to building wealth for yourself, and creating extra income. Like now, it is not a luxury anymore to have an extra source of income. Most people actually need it, and most people are looking for alternatives to the 9 to 5. For me, this has been liberating, right? Being a part of iMastery Academy, learning how to trade, learning high frequency Forex trading has been great for me, for my kids. My 9-year-old and my 7-year-old are learning how to trade and can take trades on their own. And now we're having wealth conversations, which are conversations I never had with my parents. And I just love the new direction we're going in, because if they're adopting this at such a young age, we're literally changing, their future right now. So I'm really excited about that. What I'm going to show you is high frequency trading. What is high frequency foreign exchange trading? Well, in the foreign exchange, we're always talking about trading one currency for another, okay? Big banks, central banks, hedge fund managers, all participate in the foreign exchange. It's a global over-the-counter market. It's the biggest financial market in the world, trading $6.6 trillion or more on a daily basis, okay? So when we're talking high frequency trading, we're not talking like stocks like most people are familiar, where you want to get in when the stock is low and then you want to sell when it's high and then you make a profit. With foreign exchange, you can make money both ways, both buying and selling currency. currency has a price. The US dollar has a price. The Japanese yen has a price. The Swiss franc has a price, okay? So I am not even going to talk really much about this. I just want you to see it in real time, see the new ways of making money. It's safe, it's speedy, it's efficient. We're talking about making money in minutes, but enough about me talking. I want you to see this, so let's go. I'm going to take you to one of our brokers. This particular broker is PocketOption. All right, so go to PocketOption.com and we're going to click on Start Trading in one click. I love this site because it gives you a $10,000 demo account. So look here over to the right, and you see it says $10,000, right? Over here, we have a variety of currency pairs. EUR JPY stands for the euro being traded against the Japanese yen. So when we're talking foreign exchange, we're always trading one currency for another. We're either buying or selling one currency or another. So at this present time, let's look at this. If you took €1 to the bank, the price of the euro, look at that. €1, you'll get 1.29374. No, 129.365 Japanese yen. But you know what? Look at that. Look at that price. It just keeps fluctuating right there to the right of EUR/JPY. You see the price keeps changing. That tells you price is always fluctuating. There are all kinds of buyers and sellers in the market at any given time. So price is always changing. All right. Now, on this chart right here, okay, we are looking at what is happening to price over time, okay? Every one of these little bars represents 1 minute. So from here to here, this tells us price came down in this time. Over to the right, where you have the light blue, it tells us the current price. So as you can see right now, price of the yen is coming down. It's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down. Over here, where you see this green arrow, I'm going to close this right here. This green candle, excuse me, price has been going up. Awesome. Now, what else is happening on this chart? Over here, we have a red little square. It says lower. It has a little down arrow. Over here on the right, we have a green square. It has an up arrow. Now, how do we make money when we are trading high frequency exchanges? This is what happens. As an investor, you always want to know that you are an investor. You must think of yourself as an investor, not even a trader, an investor. You want to make an educated decision about your investment. So let's say you were investing in, I don't know, let's say building a house, okay? So what do? You probably will gather some funds and then start buying material for your house. So when let's say you have your $500,000 in the bank, you take out $100,000 to build your foundation. That is what this trade amount is. It is pulling out some of your investment from your account, this 10,000, and then you invest it into part of your project. Think about it like that every time you're trading, okay? So and now let's go back to our house example. When you are building a house, the hope is that you will put this money into this investment, right? And then in the future, you get a profit. And that is the same thing that's happening here. We're going to put an investment of $500. Now with binary trading, we know exactly how much we can profit, or we may take a loss or a lesson. Every investment, doesn't matter what it is, you have the probability of making gains or losses. The only thing is that with binary options, high frequency trading, you know exactly how much you are going to profit and within what time frame, okay? So if you are doing a trade on the euro against Japanese yen, you will make an 80% profit on whatever investment amount, where it says trade amount, that you put into the trade, okay? So over here, we have where it says M. I'm clicking here. It shows you have a variety of time frames which you can invest. Means you can do trades in 1 minute, M1, 2 minutes, M2, 3 minutes, M5, M3, and 5 minutes, M5, okay? That is what that stands for. Over here, where it says strike price, that tells you the current price, okay, of the yen. So at this moment, price is 129.238721, and it keeps going, right? Keeps fluctuating, and you can see that in the movement of this candle, all right? Green means price is going up, red, price is coming down. So that is what is happening on this chart. Now, as a student of iMastery Academy, one of the gifts we have is incredible educators who help us learn how to read these charts like this, and we have proprietary software. So one of the things, one of the strategies that I use to read the market was created by a guy named Matthew Thayer. He created this strategy called CashTrap, which is what I'm going to be using today to inform me before I make a decision about a trade. I'm just going to refresh that. Okay, so these charts are proprietary software of iMastery Academy. And over here, we have trade ideas. So we call it an alert panel. These trade ideas come up every 5 minutes, every 5 minutes. So that is absolutely incredible. It means every hour you have at least 12 trade ideas, and depending on the number of currencies that are running at that time, you can have anywhere from 12 to 60 trade ideas every hour, okay? So it's absolutely phenomenal, and more, probably even up to 96 or 100 plus, all right? So this chart, again, very similar, except where we had green candles over in PocketOption, we have blue. Blue again means price is going up, it's buying. Red means price is coming down, it's selling, all right? Over here again, we are looking at price. Price is always fluctuating. That is how foreign exchange investors make money. You're either buying, selling, or trading an asset or a currency at one price for another, and you make a profit by doing so, okay? So what I do with this chart is I come here and I look for trade ideas. I can click on the, what is called alert panel here. I like to call trade ideas, and I look for a trade idea. When you click here, it will give you what is happening in the market right now with that particular currency. So right now I'm looking at New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. All right, this strategy is one of the simplest strategies we have at iMastery Academy for high frequency foreign exchange trading. We are looking for 5 to 7 confirmations, which help educate us on making a decision as to whether to enter a buys or sells, okay? So right now I'm just clicking through. Right here it says put, that means sell. And when you see call, it means buy. It's color coded, so if you see a red arrow pointing down and you choose to make that particular investment, you go to your broker and you click red. If you see a green arrow and you choose to get in that particular investment, you go to your broker and you click green, all right? But we're looking for a number of other things, a number of other confirmations to help educate us on our trade, all right? Right now, I'm just clicking through and I will explain the strategy as we go along. And I see a good trade idea. All right, I'm gonna pause right here. This says put. I'm going to click this, all right? I'm looking for, what should I go? Let's do a thumbs up. So this strategy, I said we're looking for 5 to 7 confirmations. When I see a red or green arrow, any arrow, that's a great confirmation, all right? Boom, 1 point. If it is red and it's by these red bands, this band of 3, that's another confirmation. If that price is coming from a red straight line, which we call resistance, that is another confirmation. I lost one of my thumbs up. So we have 3 confirmations right there. Now, these are momentum and volume indicators. If this line crosses over the red line when we're looking for a sell, that's another good indicator. And then if it crosses again, comes up, comes down over this red line for a sell, that is another indicator. So we have 5 indicators right here when they all line up. Also, if we're looking for sells, I am looking for an S. So an S is also a good indicator for a sell. And lastly, we look at currency strength. All right. So if the currency strength over here, you say it says USD against the Canadian dollar, it says put. When the top currency is weaker than the bottom in a sell, that is a good indication for a sell. So boom, 7. Those are the 7 confirmations. Now, this particular trade does not have all 7, but I just wanted to show you what 7 confirmations we're looking for. And now the reverse is true when we are looking for buys. And I will show you that on the next round of trade ideas. All right. So right now we have 1 minute and 27 seconds left before the next candle comes out. And this is now pushing down. So I'm going to enter this for a 1 minute trade. All right. USD CAD for a 1 minute trade. So look at this. USD CAD, 1 minute trade. I'm going in for a sell. I clicked on the red button. Did it take it? All right. I think I entered it twice. All right. So now I'm in the sell for the USD CAD. So that's the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. I entered a sell position. Now, when I am trading high frequency foreign exchange trading, when you enter a trade, right? Look what happened. It pulled $500 from that account balance. So now there's $9,500 left in my account, okay? And over here to the right, it says trades and it says open. $500 I put on this trade. This trade is in profit because price is coming down. It's coming all the way down. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, like we're counting off, right? Seconds left on this trade. That's what you're seeing here. And this trade is paying out 80%. Boom, look what happened. Trade amount 500, result 900. So what happened is it put back the $500, which was my investment, plus my profit back into my bank account. So there you have it, family. I made $400 in 1 minute. I did take some time to look at the chart, look at the indicators, and I made $400. This could be you, this could be your story. So if you want to learn more about this particular strategy, how to earn in the foreign exchange, how to build a wealth portfolio, if you've been hearing anything about Bitcoin, Ripple, XRP, we have great educators who can teach you the ropes and get you on your way to the new ways of wealth. So I just want to invite you along this journey. So come along with me and we're going to get you going. All right. Thanks for watching and see you on the other side. Take care. Bye.